Hi, my name is Nathan Curdy, and this is my combined function generator and oscilloscope project. Here on the function generator, you can change the amplitude, frequency, and offset of the signal being generated. And you can change the scale to kilohertz or change the frequency to kilohertz scale with that button there. And you can add noise, uniform Gaussian white noise, change with the standard deviation, and uniform white noise, which is changed with noise amplitude. And you can change the line width and color, plot color there, and get a bunch of information here. On the oscilloscope, we can change the volts per division, vertical position, seconds per division. You can view signals up to 200 kilohertz. And change the horizontal position. Also change the plot color with RGB sliders here, plot line width, and the background and grid colors there, and you get a bunch of information here. There are also cursors. You can use one or two cursors and move them around to look at peaks and things like that. And finally, if you look at the back tab, you can view the spectral information. You get a lot of harmonics with a square wave. It's interesting. None with a sine wave. And you can also look at just straight noise. Hope you enjoyed that. Thank you.